Hi guys, welcome to one more video from Optionables. This is a special video. So we have reached 100k subscribers and we are really grateful to all of you who have subscribed and made our day. So back in 2019 we had just started, so we just want to show you how we started and how we set up our office. So behind is our office. So today we'll be showing you our office setup, how we had started back then in 2019, and with bare minimum cost and bare minimum thing, with whatever we had, we adjusted and we started our office. We'll be sharing it with you, how we started, how it has been improved over 2 years. So come there, we'll have a look at it. So whenever you start setting up an office, what is the major thing you have to look into is the cost. So you shouldn't exceed, because as a beginner we can't afford to spend too much on setting up. So what we did was, our budget was somewhere around 25 to 35k, not more than that. So we tried to fit in all these things in our budget. So whenever you are starting, please make sure you have an economical budget. Don't spend extravagantly and spend on unnecessary things. So I'll be showing you how much these cost and how much we had paid for it. So to begin with, we needed some tables and chairs, but we didn't want the cost to go high, so we got it from the nearby place. So this table, whatever we are using, costed us somewhere around 2,500 rupees per table. So we have 2 of these, and the chairs, whatever we have, it costed somewhere around 2,000 bucks. So put together, this tables and chairs was somewhere around 11,000 to 12,000. So there are a few things which is in our trading setup or trading office. So one is the board, which we'll be getting on Amazon for somewhere around 1.5 to 2k. So this is a 32-inch Kodak TV, smart TV. We got it for somewhere around 7k when there was offer. So we tried to be as economical as possible. We don't want to spend so much on these things when we were in the initial stages. Mainly we use this for charting purpose. So this is where we load all our charts. So this is our stress buster as well. So we use this to watch our favorite sports as well as listen to music. So the next obvious question is that why haven't these guys included laptop cost in the basic setup or office setup? So it is quite simple. Back when we started, we didn't buy new laptops. So we had used whatever laptops we had back in our college days. So as you can see, we had a Goku laptop. Basically we call it Goku laptop. It's a Lenovo i3 processor, 4GB RAM. So we had bought this when we were in our college days. This was bought for somewhere around 30k in 2016 or 15. So that's the reason we didn't include this cost in the office setup, because what we feel is initially you don't need to spend so much on laptops or PCs. If you concentrate on your trading system, then you can purchase the system once it's right. Next, I'll show you one more thing on the system what we used to do. So this laptop, the display is not good. So display had been hampered, but still we use this because in the initial stages we Indians are known for jugaad, right? So whatever we had, we try to modify it and we try to adjust it. So that's how even we started our journey. So this is a simple thing what we all do. So whatever we have to adjust to it and we have to start. So this was the same laptop which we used to trade when it was in this condition. So it has spots on the screen. So back then we just focused on the trading system, and it's not mandatory to have very high-end systems, but once you start earning profits, we definitely agree that even you need to have good systems. So recently we have purchased laptops worth more than 2.5 lakhs after being profitable. Once you make sure that your trading system is right, you can buy all these expensive systems. So initially don't spend too much on laptops or PCs, make sure whatever you have you adjust to that and you get best out of it. So the whole idea of this video is to show you that there is no need of fancy things when you are starting. So with whatever we have, we can generate sufficient returns from it, and we should not spend thinking that we'll be able to generate better returns if we spend on this. Instead, what we have to think is once we generate returns, we will be able to spend. So we have to think on the other side. So initially, whenever you start anything, make sure you save money and generate returns on it. After that, you can spend. So that's how we believe, and that's how we started. So that's the summary of the video, what we wanted to convey. So as you saw in the video, we converted and painted this garage with the help of our friends. So we didn't spend extra on the labor. So wherever we can save our cost, we did it. So all this painting costed us somewhere around 3,000 to 5,000, not more than that, because we just got the raw materials and we ourselves painted it. So you saw how much we had spent on the basic setup of our office. It was less than 30k. So recently we have bought few of our stress busters. So we play here a lot during the market hours. We also play while trading. So these are our few basic setups. We have dartboard and we have few punching bags also, and we also have some foosball back in our office, and we also played regularly. So all this together costed us somewhere additional of somewhere around 10 to 15,000, and this we purchased it recently after 2 years of our office setup. So this was a recent addition to our collections. This is my team. So on the left we have Srivatsa, who handles our social media. Next we have Shravani, who handles our accounts. And finally the content writer, Vandana. And finally this video is shot by Samuk. So we'll just see how Saket does his videos and how he gives out his content every day.
So here when I record login and when I come here.
Hey Saket. So this is his setup. So he'll be working from here. And this is our small setup.
Hi guys, thank you so much for helping us reach 100k. So we consider this to be one of our important milestones in this long journey. We will also try to provide quality content, so as a community of traders we can all grow together and prosper together. Thank you so much for the support, and we are really happy.
Thank you guys. So this is our first milestone, what we have achieved till now. And if we do any mistake, please do correct us, and so that we can be better and better every day. If we are doing any mistake, we'll be able to correct it and come out with better content. And thanks a lot for your support.